Hello, my name is Melissa Espíndola, and today I'm going to talk about effects of technology on the environment. Firstly, we need to talk about the background of technology. So we need to know a little bit about the history of technology and how we got here. It all started in 1760 with the first industrial revolution, in which the steam train was created, and also the big factories started to be a really important thing for the economy and society in general. After that, we have the industrial revolution of electricity, and then computing, and finally intelligence. All of these breakthroughs in science and in technology have made a huge impact on planet Earth and its environment. Firstly, let's talk about the positive effects. A positive effect that technology has is that we use less paper, and with less paper there is fewer deforestation of forests. Also, we have developed with technology solar panels, rechargeable batteries. Obviously, things like smartphones have reduced the impact of other materials such as books and papers and lines and all that. So we have reduced all of those impacts, and also LED light that it's better for the environment and doesn't consume a lot of carbon. But on the other hand, we have a lot of waste, because every 5 minutes, not every 5 minutes, but every year or so, for example, they launch a new iPhone or a new computer or a new printer or a new technology breakthrough that a lot of people want to buy, and they're already good and in use computer or cell phone or whatever. It's going to go to the trash, and all of these elements are made of plastic, therefore they cannot be recycled, and they are accumulating and they're creating a big problem with technology. Also, with the development of technology, we have what is called fast fashion, that are those big companies that create really cheap and really fast clothes that people use for a month or two, or sometimes just once, and throw out. Clothes as well are not recycled. So those are a few of the negative effects. In this part, we should ask ourselves for the future. What kind of future will we see? A future when environment, humankind, and technology are living in peace and harmony, or that is where we're heading, at a future where it's all waste and death, and all because we haven't used technology to develop new ways to recycle, new ways to make water clean, new ways to really live in harmony with our planet. So what can we do about it? Firstly, we have to be really conscious that our impact is really small. Most of the waste are produced for a couple of companies that are the owners of the world. So we really have to pressure our government to make laws that really assure our right to have clean water, to have breathable air, to have wood, to have forests, to have a really good place to live our lives, a really good future. So firstly, we have to endorse and be really strong with our vote, and who we vote for, who are we giving power to. Other things that we can do that do not have as much impact as we wish, but do they have impact, is recycle do not use fast fashion, use secondhand clothes, and use reusable papers, do not change cell phones every year, and all those things that are little, I mean, there are huge impacts, but can really change the way we see life. Thank you very much your for your attention, and goodbye.